Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone! Ever find yourself craving a warm bowl of Maruchan Ramen but don't want to mess with a stovetop? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into the absolute easiest way to cook up your favorite instant noodles right in your microwave. It's super fast, incredibly convenient, and perfect for those moments when you need a quick, satisfying meal. All right, let's get our ingredients ready. All you really need is your trusty packet of Maruchan Ramen. Any flavor will do. You'll also want a good, sturdy, microwave-safe bowl or a large mug that can comfortably hold your noodles and plenty of water. And of course, don't forget the most important part: some fresh, cold water to cook everything perfectly. Now for the cooking. First, open your ramen packet and gently place the dry noodle block into your microwave-safe bowl. Next, pour enough cold water over the noodles to completely cover them, usually about 2 cups. Then, put the bowl into your microwave and cook on high power for exactly 3 minutes. After that, let it sit for just about 30 seconds. This helps the noodles steam. All right, almost there. Very carefully remove your hot bowl from the microwave. Use oven mitts if you need to. Now, open up that seasoning packet that came with your ramen and sprinkle it all over the noodles. Give it a gentle stir to mix everything in. Then, pop it back into the microwave for another 2 minutes, letting those flavors really come together. And just like that, your piping hot Maruchan Ramen is ready. Carefully take it out of the microwave and give it one final stir to make sure all the noodles are separated and coated in that wonderful broth. You can add an egg, some green onions, or even a dash of hot sauce if you like. Now, go ahead and enjoy your super quick, incredibly satisfying, homemade ramen creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.